Welcome and thank you for joining us today for Comodo One walkthrough of the RMM Remote Management and Monitoring tool. Today we're going to start at one.comodo.com and log in through the web till we get to the administrative console for the Comodo One platform. As you can see, we currently have our 3 modules available, but today we're going to focus on the Remote Monitoring and Management tool. Simply log in via the web interface and you'll be transported to the dashboard. As you can see, we currently are showing some of the endpoints that we are monitoring, plus some limited information, as well as, if I call your attention to the upper left-hand corner drop-down, quite a few menu options. You can see the devices made some account and notification changes, and most importantly, this is where you would download the RMM console. It is this console that you would download to your server on your network, and this is where the endpoints will report back to. So you only need to download this once. Simply select Download, select the Windows version that you require, and when you download it to your machine, you will see a black icon with the words RMM Administrative Console. Simply sign in, and you will now have access to the main administrative console for the remote management and monitoring tool. As you can see, very similar to the web interface, we do have a menu up on the left-hand side. In addition, on the bottom, we have quite a few menu options as well pertaining to the endpoints that you are currently viewing on the device's view. Take notice the second icon right here, it says Add Devices. This is what you would use to enroll an individual endpoint to the monitoring system. Simply select the company that you would like to place it under, the site, the OS, is this Windows or Linux. We offer workstation or server, but you may also use the auto detect as well, and also have the option to include a device description as well. Once you've populated these fields, there are 3 methods that you may use to enroll the endpoint. The first one is through an enrollment code. You would simply have your end user go to joincomodo.com, enter in the enrollment code, and download the software, and they would then be able to be taken over or remotely troubleshot from the console view. You may also send them an email link that they can download at their leisure. Finally, we can generate an enrollment link. The end user can either be sent this link to download, or if you notice, it does end in a .msi extension. If you would like to enroll multiple endpoints, as preferred to this method, which is to add a singular, simply download this file and place it in the shared folder directory. Using group policy, you can then share this file and enroll multiple endpoints through scripting. But again, for today, we are going to concentrate on just how to add one single device. So I've already gone to this link here. And as you can see, I've actually already downloaded the file. So right now I'm going to open and run the file. Simply select Next, accept the terms of agreement, and install. It will take just a few short moments for the installation wizard to install the RMM agent. Once the wizard has been completed, you simply finish and will launch the RMM agent on the endpoint. As you can see, this has a little red icon here, and you are now connected to the installer, to the remote console. So let me go ahead and exit this and show you that on the remote console now, we have successfully added myself in as an endpoint. If required, my computer can now be taken over and remediated or fixed as required. Finally, I want to show exactly what happened with the icon that was installed on the desktop. Let me move the console around, and as you can see, I now have a red icon entitled RMM Agent. This is what will be seen on the endpoint, and a user can now click on this, and this will remotely contact the RMM console and start a session so that you can fix it. After double-clicking on the icon, you will be presented with a window. You can simply type in your problem. And as you can see, the console now lists that I am in a session, basically with myself. And this session can be ended either by the technician or the user. Yes, I would like to disconnect. And as you can see, the session is no longer in service. Well, thank you for joining us today on how to enroll a single endpoint. Please do not hesitate to contact our support team if you have any questions or concerns.